Hello, welcome back, and we are meeting again after a really long time. This is Angel Parekh for you guys, those who don't know me. I had started very long back, and for 4 to 5 years I took a break and I chose not to make videos. But lot of things have changed. I recently uploaded a video a month back. Go watch that if you haven't. But today, as we start New Year's Eve tomorrow, so today is 30th December that I am shooting this video, and I thought for the first time in my life to make a vision board. I mean, for first time I have a clear cut vision of a year, that this is something that I want to achieve, this is something that I want to lay the foundation for next 2 to 3 years. So let's get started. Come make a vision board with me. Let's go. I have bifurcated my vision / goal into 6 categories. So one is finance, one is career, one is 3 to 4 years down the line goals, one is my habits, one is some materialistic targets that I have to achieve next year, and one is something that keeps me sane, so that is travel for me. So that is something that I have bifurcated into. And let's make the vision board and few affirmations so that I stick up to. And in that as well, I will also write a particular note that what I want to achieve. So let's just say this is a passport picture, so I want to take a trip with my friends, at least one trip abroad. So it's a healthy food, so I want to make it a practice that I have good nutrition. I mean, I eat ghar ka khana major of the times, but good nutritious food like having nuts, so that my nutritions are intact. Then gym, which I dropped this year, so I am not going to the gym this year, that is for sure, but I want to start my mobility again. And the major part that I live by for content, skincare. I have skipped skincare so many days that I have no idea. Like for out of 12 months, I would have done skincare for 2 to 3 months, like legit. And my skin is suffering and I can feel it. So skincare is something that I want to put into routine again. And there are 2 targets to this 100k followers. One is publishing 2 vlogs a month. So this is something that I have been asked a new year resolution, and I told that I want to publish 2 vlogs a month. So that is something that somebody is going to track that, and 100k followers. I don't know how I am going to achieve. The target was for this year, but this did not happen, and it is going to next year. But next year for sure I have to have it. Like, it is a deadline, because I want to start content but with a different perspective, and you'll know soon. I do investing, but I want to start saving more and invest more, so that it helps me lay the ground for my goal for next 2 to 3 years. So it's investing cash, and this is a very luxury goal, but I want to have it, is Amex card. I don't know how I am going to have it, but I know for sure that I am going to bloody have it. And for habits, one more important habit that I want to inculcate is read fucking more. Be it anything, but I want to start reading more and more. I mean, I do read the articles, this, that, but legit reading is something that I want to start. Now for the goals that I want to set the foundation this year is buy my dream car and own a house. This is before I turn 30, and this is in next 2 years. So this is pretty much it. Let's collate in this cardboard and make a vision board for ourselves. 2026. This is the most important thing in the vision board. I mean, for 2025, the year have been crazy for me. I have cried in the places where I should have never cried. I have had major panic attacks that I never wanted people to know that I have panic attacks. I mean, I felt weak at that point of time. So I guess I will be bifurcating career habits, then it will be my travel, materialistic goals, and on top of it will be long-term goals. And for some reason I am energetic today. Otherwise मैं ये कल shoot करने वाली थी, and then I was like, let's suck it up, कल shoot करेंगे. I know it is not much of a big deal, but that is something that I want to remove for my habits and routine is procrastination. I have to legit remove procrastination and stop being lazy dumb. Although I have time in the world, but it is just that me being little lazy can be typical sometimes, and that is something that I want to avoid. It is a stack of cash, so it is my financial manifestation for everything that I want to achieve. So of course I am having stacks and stacks of cash in my vision board, so that good money vibes only. Stacks of cash, so that it helps me achieve all the damn thing that I want. Habits. One colorful thing is there in all of the pictures. Otherwise, everything is dark. It is looking nice. It is coming out nice. It should come out nice. Because this is my vision board. This is the Angel Parekh vision board. So, one important thing that I am doing this year is a lifestyle change. Lifestyle and habits change. Because if I genuinely change that this year, my next 2 years would be sorted. And that is something I fucking want to do. So this 100k is not just about earning money. I mean, the money will be the byproduct, or rather I do not monetize it altogether. That will be a different call. But it is something that I personally want to drive. So that is why this 100k is the most important thing to me right now. I cannot help it. Okay, once I set this up, I am coming back. Otherwise, it is too much of drama that you cannot hold. And we are finally done with our vision board. Look how pretty it is looking. So, what I have done is also set a target that this is something with a picture I have set ki this is exactly what I want. So here, beach and bonfire with friends. I really want to go this year, that we have a bonfire on the beach side. It is so cool. Then I have to take out 3 vlogs a month. Eating my nutrition. I eat ghar ka khana, as I said, but eating my nutrition right is something that I want to get into it. Glowing skin, of course. Then exercise. Okay, I'll show you around. Wait. Okay, so this is the vision board of Angel Parekh for 2026. So we have a panel discussion that I really want to get featured into. This is just investing that I want to start investing rigorously. a bonfire and the beach, 100k followers, 3 vlogs a month, own a house, my flat or my apartment. And this is something that I really want, a good watch or luxury watch. So that is something. This is with travel. Again, I want to travel a business class. I want to go to Paris and I want to have good glowing skin. Oh, we missed this. That I want to have lots and lots of reading. I'll attach a card to it here as well, because this is the most important, that will uplift all of this. Eating my nutrition right, doing exercise, discipline, the most important thing. And the confidence is the most important. And I AI did it. Thoda sa AIfication here, that I want to get my the beautiful Mercedes, gym, and then to a successful year. How does it sound? It is so amazing. I mean, we will achieve this in next year. Okay, I am all set for next year. I cannot wait to hustle and do things that will bring this vision board live. I mean, I already have goosebumps and I fucking know that I am going to make it. Okay, so to more and more bigger things. Let's go, Angel Parekh. And I am treating this vlog space as my journey. So if you want to follow me along, do subscribe, because we are going to have a lot of fun. I am going to keep it very raw. It is not going to be scripted. I am going to give information. I'm going to give my lifestyle hacks, how I am living in Mumbai, what do I do, what struggles, what hindrances I have, and basically क्या जुगाड़ करना पड़ता है उसके लिए. So everything is there in this vlog, everything will be there in this journey, because trust me, when it comes from my elder sister, you are going to benefit from it. So go subscribe right now, and I am going to see you guys in next vlog.